and we will put the potatoes in this row, inside this row. This is the uncle ji. Here is the uncle ji. This is the potato seeds. This is the potato actually. Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. So this is the holiday. It is a Diwali holiday, and now this time I am at my field, and you can see this is my field, and now I am going to show you my field. So this is the field, and we are preparing this field for potatoes crops. We are going to grow potatoes crops in this field, and in you can see there are many type of trees. This is the mango trees, and this is the amla tree. There are two trees, amla tree, and this is the blackberry tree. You can see, and we are preparing this field for potatoes crops, and we have put the compost, natural compost. Let me show you guys. This is the natural compost. Here this is the natural compost, and we have put this natural compost in this field. As you can see, the natural compost is very beneficial for potatoes crops. And let me show you other trees. As you can see behind me, there are many type of trees. You can see this is the lemon tree. It is a very small. Look the beauty of this small tree. It is a very green. Wow. And this is the another mango tree. As you can see, this is the mango tree. This is also small, not a big. And this is the vine tree. It is also small again, not a big. Let's go another tree. This is the big vine tree, and there is a one vine upside, but you let me show you. I think you can't see. There is a vine tree. I can see, but I think you can't see. There is another guava tree, and this is unripe guava. You can see this is the guava, and but it is unripe, not a ripe. And this is my field. You can see this is my field, and it is near my village, not too far. And we are going to prepare this field for potatoes crops. And this is my nephew here. Hey, look here. Hello, hi, bolo. And they always use mobile phone. Sometime we will put the potatoes in this field, and you can see the soil of this field. Wow. And they are running. What are doing these guys? So guys, this is the shovel, and now I am going to weed this field with this shovel like this. As you can see, and we are preparing this field for our potatoes crops actually. And today is a sunny, not a too much. So guys, as you can see behind me, the kids is playing and enjoying this field. Hey, what are you doing, Chancy? Chancy is playing with soil.
I am playing good.
And laughing. So now guys, we are making our field, and we are making the rows. You can see there are many rows, and we will put the potatoes in this row, inside this row. You can see we will put the row potatoes in this row into, and this is the uncle ji. Here is the uncle ji. They are preparing the rows. After some time we will put the potato seeds, and let me show you the potato seeds. This is the potato seeds. This is the potato actually. And we will put potatoes in these rows. There are many rows, and we will grow the potatoes. Now guys, I am going to make rows. I have to make rows. I think 10 rows like this type. This is the long rows, and I have to make short rows, because when we irrigate this field, then it is very easy to irrigate this field. That's why I am making these rows. Okay. So now guys, we have started to put the potatoes inside the field. This is the Uncle Ji and Uncle Ji putting the potatoes inside the field, and this is the way we are putting the potatoes, and we have to put inside the potato this whole field, and the other side, in the other side we will grow the carrot and radish in this side. And that side the potatoes, and this side carrot and radish, because this side is there are many trees, that's why we can't grow the potatoes in this area. So now guys, we are putting the potatoes inside this row, and as well as I am putting the soil onto this row, because it is very important, otherwise the potatoes crops will not grow very well. That's why I am putting this soil on this row. And it is evening time, and we have been working since morning, and it has been long time, we have tired. And you can see there they are putting the potatoes inside the rows, and I think it will take 2 and 3 hours more. So now guys, we have done all work, we have put the all potatoes in these rows, you can see, and it has been long time. We have been working in this field since morning, and it is the evening time, 5 o'clock. So that's why we are going to our home. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.